Yeah, why don't you live together right now? Yeah, why don't you